So today we'll be working on cleaning a balance for my Vintage Raketa that is taken apart. The parts have been cleaned. Everything has been cleaned except for the balance. But before we get started, wrist check today. I'm wearing my, I believe it's a 1981 6458 608. And it's sitting on a oxidized GL rubber strap from Uncle Seiko. Okay, let's get started. So we'll be using a product called Hair Dip. Typically, it's not recommended to put balance. Excuse me, balance. And the palette fork in anything harsh. You need something like hexane or a product called Hair Dip. It will not harm. Both of those things, so I put a little bit of this stuff into a jar. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this thing and place it in my little container so it's easier to get this thing in and out. Gently place it in my container. So this way I can just dip it and leave it in there for maybe 30 seconds or so, and then we will resume. So it's been about actually 50 seconds by the time I got to it. Let's lift this bad boy out of Hair Dip. Apologies, it's actually called Hairspring Dip, not Hair Dip, but that's besides the point. So we don't need those anymore. Now we're just gonna let it dry, and this thing will be ready for assembly soon. Gently lift it. And I like to place it on the stand. That way it's not going anywhere. And I'm gonna cover it with a jar. So nothing lands on this clean hairspring. So I'll just use a normal mason jar and cover it like so. There we go.